Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make laddu that tastes exactly like Tirupati laddu. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification for further upcoming videos. Let's start. The ingredients are 500 grams of besan flour, 80 grams of rice flour, 650 grams of sugar, 500 ml of milk, diamond rock sugar. I don't find small ones guys. I'm going to crush this and use 10 cardamom, raisins, cashew nuts and a pinch of edible camphor, ghee and oil for deep fry. Let's get started. Take a bowl, put the rice flour, 80 grams of rice flour and 80 grams of sugar. Add the milk. Mix nicely until the sugar dissolves. Now slowly add the besan flour. Mix nicely. Now slowly add little by little water and mix. We need a dropping consistency. See guys, like this we need a dropping consistency. Mix well without lumps. Now take these cardamoms into a mixer jar and add 70 grams of sugar. Grind it into a fine powder. Like this. Keep aside. Heat up the oil to put the bundi. The oil heated up guys. I am using this holes bowl to put the bundi. I don't have a bundi maker. Now put the bundi as shown. Fry the bundi on high flame. See, our bundi is ready. Now take it out into another bowl. See guys, now wipe out the bottom of this bowl like this and put the bundi. In the same way, make the bundi out of the remaining batter also. See guys, our bundi. Now put the bundi in the mixer grinder and just grind for 2 seconds coarsely. Only 2 seconds. See guys, like this. Grind all the bundi like this. Take a vessel to make the sugar syrup. Add 500 grams of sugar and 1 glass of water. Boil this on medium flame. We need a single thread consistency sugar syrup. Check one time guys. This is the single thread consistency. You can see a small thread forming. Now lower the flame. Add this cardamom and sugar powder and take 1 pinch of edible camphor, smash it nicely, make into a powder and put. Mix well and now put this bundi. Mix until well combined. Cook for 1 minute on low flame. See guys how it looking. Now turn off the flame and keep aside. Take a pan or a vessel and put 4 tablespoons of ghee to fry the cashew nuts and raisins. Now turn off the flame. Now add these cashew nuts, raisins and the ghee into this laddu mixture. Add the crushed diamond rock sugar. Mix well and keep aside. Let it cool down. Since we added edible camphor and ghee, it smells so good guys, and it tastes exactly like the Tirupati laddu. It cooled down ready guys. Now make laddus in your desired size with your clean hands. See guys, our laddus are ready. These laddus taste exactly like Tirupati laddus guys. You believe it or not? You also make these laddus at your home and let me know how they come in the comments below. Hope you guys like these laddus. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.